Forest River 32 DS. 2 slides, one on this side, one on the other. 2 awnings, outdoor television, Jensen speakers, Bluetooth capability. The door opens and the stairs come out and then they retract when it is closed. You can retract them from here. You have floor heaters to keep the floor warm. 2 coach seats that swivel. A table for drinks. Up there is a double bed. There's a ladder that connects to get up easily. Also speakers up there, plenty of storage. Apple Play and all of your Bluetooths can connect. Lots of outlets. Turning around, this turns into a bed. It flips. Lots of storage above. Easy close. Here is the dinette. They both open up for storage underneath, and then there is also storage on the bottom. Comes with a television. The kitchen has tons of storage. This is one of the reasons I loved it so much. Comes with a extender. Comes with a microwave. It also comes we took out the gas and we did induction because I like it better. I think that it's cooks more evenly. Preference. I also took out the oven and we put in a convection oven, toaster, baker, air fry combination because, you know, put my pots and pans up here. Still have stuff in here because if we plan on leaving next month, we're debating it. We will take this with us if we don't sell it. So I didn't take everything out. Nice farm sink, swivel. The thing that will come with it that is amazing that we did is we added a water pump connection that just connects through here. So no more water, bottled water. We put in trash bin that slide out. French door refrigerator. French door freezer. Very deep cabinets. 3 on top and 2 on the bottom. Another kids area. This folds out into a bed. Gaming center, that's what they used it for. More storage for their things in here. The bathroom. Nice shower, nice and big. Nice shower head. Thing for toothbrushes, we added that because on the counter. Lots of storage. We put tape also on everything. I recommend that highly, the glow-in-the-dark tape. So at night you don't have to wake up the whole place. We added mirrors so you can have a full-length mirror, lady. This door closes so you have privacy. We put a king bed in here. It is a tiny bit snug, but I have to have a king. Lots of drawers for all of your things. Lots of deep drawers. Got it. And both sides have hanging closets and then a big window. So when you park back, you get to see out the window. Take you back through so you can see what that looks like, and I'll spin around for you so you can have a good look at what it's like from here.